Hydra Glow or no glow? Why would you choose if you can have all for all types of skin? Makeup Forever just released their all-new HD Skin Balancing and Perfecting Foundation. After I learned about this product, I'm so excited about it and I want to share with you guys. And while sharing, I'm gonna do my makeup with all Makeup Forever products. I have been loving Makeup Forever HD Foundation in the HD Skin Hydra Glow. This one is my favorite from Makeup Forever. It gives you that glowy, but not too much. I'll share with you the texture. So this is the Hydra Glow. I'm gonna apply the Hydra Booster Step 1 Primer. So this is how the primer looks like. It's giving that 24-hour hydrating base. Ooh, I can feel so smooth. This all-new HD Skin Balancing and Perfecting Foundation is basically for everyone and all types of skin, be it combination, dry skin, or even oily skin. Look at how light it actually flows. Let me just do it one more time. Look at that. It's even lighter than the Hydra Glow HD. And the best part about this foundation is it adapts on any type of skin. It has skin balancing technology, provides hydration and shine control. So if you have oily skin, it helps to balance out the shine control on your skin. Plus, it's totally perfect for our Singapore humid and hot weather. Secondly, it adapts for skin concern of every age. And that is because it is made of skin-loving ingredients such as hyaluronic acids, peptides, and niacinamide. I love to spray some of the mist on my brush. This is very, very light. And I definitely gonna apply a second layer of this foundation because I want it to be more coverage. I really love how blendable this foundation is. It's not patchy at all. The water-thin texture seamlessly blend with your skin. Of course, as a makeup artist, I collect all their face palettes. I have the all-in-one face palette that works as corrector, concealer, contour, and also blush. And you can see that I often use this. There's even a hole there. Oh my goodness, this is embarrassing. There's different palette. Blush and Glow palette. This one is the Face and Cheek Cream palette, suitable for fair to medium. First thing first, I'm going to conceal some of the dark spots area. Not so much left. And I'm going to just clean up my brows. And even use this as your eyeshadow base. I have a few color pencils from Makeup Forever. This is the very recent that I got in lavender, but today I'm going to focus on more neutral colors. The Aqua Resist color pencil in Iron Grey, we have in Cranberry, and also so beautiful bubbly scents. I'm going to apply the bubbly scent underneath at my waterline here. Wow, it's so nice. I have a hint of glittery, but it's very, very soft. It's more shimmery than glittery. This really makes your makeup look fresh. I'm gonna use the Iron Grey on the waterline area on top, just halfway. Next, I'm gonna take the Aqua Resist color pencil in Cranberry and I'm gonna just apply right under the gray iron that I applied earlier. I'm also gonna apply on top of my eyeliner. Since I don't have any liquid concealer right now, so I'm gonna just spray my hydrating mist because that's how I like it. So I'm going to just apply it under my eye area. Now I'm going to use the same palette and do the contouring. I have a very chubby and plump cheeks, so I love do more contouring. I'm going to need a smaller brush to contour my nose. People often ask if I have done any nose job. My answer will always be no. I don't do any nose job, but I love pinching my nose. Because I always feel so insecure with my nose. I take it positive way and I keep on reminding myself to be grateful of what I have. Next, I'm going to use a different palette, the Blush and Highlight Cream palette. Today, I'm going for pinky peachy color. Let's try this one. It's either we're going for this or slightly more summer, this. How about we mix both? And I'm going to just put the pink here and the coral right here. Oh, I love how it turns out. Ooh. I like that. Makeup Forever brushes are all very, very soft. This is giving the sweet summer look. It's not too pinkish, it's not too orangey. Just in between. Now we're gonna add a little glow. I'm going for this. Just apply on top here. Okay, this part I'm gonna use brush. I'm gonna apply on my cheek area. Now I'm gonna set my makeup with powder. Since today I use a lot of cream products, even the blusher, contour, and highlighter. So I'm gonna just set everything with Makeup Forever HD Skin Setting Powder. Mine right now, I'm using 1.2 in light beige. I'm gonna just use a fluffy brush and then I'm gonna just dab all the excess. I'm just gonna do this on the back of my hand first and then I'm gonna just apply it. You can also apply this for touch-ups. I love that my makeup still glowing. I'm gonna outline my lips with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. It's a multi-use matte pencil, so you can use this for your eye or even your lips. And this one is in Wherever Walnut. I'm going to apply the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Color in Boundless Berry. And then I'm going to top it with Makeup Forever Super Boost in shade Tan Juicy Peach. Make it look more plumper and glossy. Just going to apply it at the center of my lips. Lastly, we're going to set our makeup with Makeup Forever Mist and Fix 24 Hour. And here's our final look with Makeup Forever HD Skin Balancing and Perfecting Foundation. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.